Maganda na po ang susunod na laro. White Dog versus Your Home Realty. Number 21, pass to number 10. Pass to number 1, Tumagasa, pinasa labas. Number 16, pinasa number 21, number 16, lakas. It's good, right now, wow. 89-81, Talamanggoy. Ule. Kaya kami pa rin. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Great ball. Number 1, pass to number 16, Tumira, plays 3 points. Ang score 92-81. Lang pa rin ang Gray. Number 14, kinakalaban. Pass to number 3, Lumaya. Di mo number 17. Number 18, Bola.
Dami nyo. Balik ko na lang.
8 minutes and 26 seconds. 94-81. Talamanggoy.
Yamador ka na masyado. Basic lang ginagawa. Ikot na yung bola eh.
96-85. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. 16 to shoot. Huli.
Go!
Number 16, Bola Paula. 98-85. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Reserve na. Ayun, gusto. Ang score 187. Ikot-ikot sa lalim.
Oros!
Line ball. Sabit. Ang score 102-91 na mga Gray. Sa 2 minutes na lang ang time out ng Diyos. Sa 2 minutes ang time out ng Diyos. Ang Gray, dalawa pa. 15 to shoot. Number 5, Kobe. Number 7, pass to number 10. Pass to number 16, number 16, ang layup. It's good. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 1 is good. Basic. 19-1 motor. Naman tayo na play. Still, number 1. Number 1. Ali Uka. Number 83.
Red, bawal ulit pa. Sabar ba? Utang dito pa tayo. On, pinakaroon yan, gamon. Pag binangga ka dito malaki, pero lipat ko yan lahat.
Number 16, number 5. Number 5, pass number 8. Number 8, pass number 8. Number 1, take the last out. Number 1. Winner. To play.
Oras pa yan.
1-8-96. Number 5. First personal foul. First free foul. 15 to shoot.
3 points pa. Tingnan ka, boss.
Dante to shoot. Ang score, 108, 101. Lamang three.
Relax.
Dante to shoot. 110 seconds. Number 1, sir. Last 1 minute. Number 17. Shoot the shot. Over the number 8. Number 21, second personal foul. First team foul. 55 seconds to play.
Ay, napalakas. Okay.
53 seconds to play. Team ball. One out there, one out. The team to shoot. Number 18, rebound. Number 7. Number 8. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 38 seconds to play. First shot, number 2. Second shot is good. Number 18. Wala bola.
Lalim.
Number 18. Over.
Wala rin dito. Hindi lang po rin kami.
Third team foul. Number 5. Third personal foul. Wala pa penalty. Third team foul na. Fifteen to shoot. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Let's get warm up now.